I'm not gonna wheelie this thing yet.
Yeah?
Not yet. I'm not gonna try to wheelie this
Did you
yet.
even try to go in second gear and stuff?
Yeah, I did. I went to fourth gear. What do you mean I didn't?
You ain't going nowhere though to really feel it.
Prove it.
Yo, go around. What the fuck? Stop being scared.
Prove it I'm scared. What makes you think I'm scared?
Kick it with guys.
Wait. Let's change the gear. Oh my, yeah. You see like how my legs reach? Like, see what I mean? I can't reach.
What you mean?
My legs, they can't reach the ground.
Kick it and go. You think I'm tall? I'm not even tall enough for this fucking bike.
Oh my
Ace is
God.
on a 250, you can do it 125. Ace is smaller than you, way smaller than you. He's starting this shit and he going. Alright, you moving like 11. Get off the kickball.
Prove it. He said don't make it go all the way back.
Nah, it's like your head.
You
were scared to ride it, son.
Just give it to him.
When you're done with the 85, you're gonna come and you're gonna wild this shit up.
Yeah. But that has a different engine,
Not
Dad.
this one though, not this one. Regular
Yeah. Yeah, regular, that's the thing, Dad.
If he wouldn't have told you that, you wouldn't have known. You just did it. Like, don't be scared. You got it. You got the. Let's go.
Ride, you wanna see?
No.
Yeah, no, Dad, now you're scared. Oh yeah, do it.
I can't, Willie. That makes no sense. I'm good.
Why'd you try to ride?
Let's